इस तिमाही के नंबर्स को, और क्या ओपनिंग कमेंट्स रहेंगे सर आपके?
Good morning. It's a pleasure talking to you. The results have been good for the past 6 consecutive quarters. If you look at it, every quarter we had performed exceedingly well. Now, coming to summer season, we had began the season with the assumption that there will be at least 20% growth. This is what I had indicated in the month of January when we had launched new range of air conditioners. Now, there are concerns with regard to unseasonal rains in some parts of the country, specifically the north. The west, east, and the south had done well in the past 2 weeks. Now, there is a forecast that the temperatures in northern region also will begin to rise from May 10th. That's tomorrow. And therefore, I am still hopeful that the summer season will be good. And on the whole, I have been indicating, driven by the demand that we are seeing from across the country within various segments. The room air conditioner industry is poised to grow in the coming years. And this particular year, I have stated that at least 20% growth should take place. So therefore, I am very optimistic about room air conditioners market as well as our B2B products, where we are sitting on a huge order book. The carried forward order book you would have seen is over 5,000 crores. It is up 55% compared with the previous year. And all segments, manufacturing, data centers, metro railway, airports, showroom boutiques, the healthcare sector, all of them are expanding. So therefore, we are in the backdrop of having ended the year on a very high note, we look forward to an exciting year ahead in FY24.
बिल्कुल सर। अब ऑलरेडी एक लैंड पार्सल आपने बेचा जो थाने में, उसके बाद अब कोई ज़मीन ऐसी है जो हमारे पास है सेल के लिए, कुछ सोच रहे हो आप उसके बारे में? ये थोड़ा सा एक अपडेट मैं जानना चाहूँगा सर।
No, there is no such large land parcel. This had been there for the past 2-3 years. There had been news when we will close the transaction. That transaction is closed. There is no other land parcel that is going to be there. But if you look at the results, even the operating income, in excluding that, had grown by 31.3% to 8,008 crores. So it is one-off. That is why it is an exceptional item.
डेफिनेटली सर। इसके अलावा मैं समझना चाह रहा था, क्योंकि इस बार बोर्ड ने 1:1 बोनस के लिए भी एक मंजूरी दे दी है, तो क्या थॉट प्रोसेस रहा है इसके पीछे, शेयर होल्डर्स को बेनिफिट वगैरह का, ये भी थोड़ा सा समझाइए सर।
There are a number of things that had happened during the year, right? It is an all-round performance. The first one is we have been delivering results consistently. The operating margin has improved by 50 basis points. Even though the supply chain interruptions were there, exchange rate was not favorable. And we had the Sri City plant commission. We are expanding our international footprint with an office in the US and another one in Europe. And recently, we opened an innovation center in Japan as well. And we are in our 80th year. So therefore, considering that we have adequate reserves, we thought this is the right time actually to issue the bonus shares. And this will help also improve the liquidity in the market because often there had been a concern that the trading volumes are very low. That's the reason we decided, the board had recommended that we should go ahead and issue the bonus shares. And this is subject to the approval of the shareholders.
डेफिनेटली सर, तो ये सिचुएशन को हम देखते रहेंगे, पर साथ ही साथ मैं थोड़ा सा अब समझना चाह रहा था, सिंस वी हैव सीन कि मार्जिन हमारे जो हैं वो अब इम्प्रूव होने लगे हैं, तो रॉ मटेरियल का जो प्राइस इन्फ्लेशन है वो अभी कैसा चल रहा है, और मार्जिन्स जो इम्प्रूव हुए हैं, तो क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए यहाँ से आगे?
It is stable, I would say. We do have the exchange rate concerns. These days, you're not able to predict at all. You wind back 1 year in April, May 2022, we never thought that the exchange rate will go out of hand. We had seen the raw material prices should come down and the margins will improve, but that didn't take place in last financial year. Due to that, we improved the margins through different measures altogether. So going forward, the operating levers that I see are Blue Star Climatic Limited's CCT plant, where we have good saving potential in terms of logistics, because incoming raw material can come to the ports like Krishnapatnam Port or Ennur Port or Chennai Port. Today, the raw material is moving from Mumbai all the way to Himachal plants of ours. Finished goods were moving from Himachal plants to all the way down south. From CCT Andhra Pradesh, the finished goods can reach any of the southern states overnight. Um, so therefore, you save in terms of inventory holding period and logistics costs as well. Then we are planning to cross 1 million units of room air conditioners in the coming financial year, or this particular financial year, FY24. The scale benefit is the next one which will help us. And you are seeing the same trend in refrigeration products as well. We have indigenized and localized most of the products there. The deep freezer market is booming, cold chain market is booming. And in electromechanical projects, again, there is a wide portfolio where manufacturing, infra, data center, buildings in which we had been leaders for a long time. So scale and other operating levers like City will help us. I'm not able to predict about the raw materials. As of now, it is stable. I hope and pray that it remains that way.
क्लियरली सर। आखिरी सवाल एक रहेगा गाइडेंस के लिए। ऑब्वियसली जिस तरह से हम देख रहे हैं रेवेन्यू, सारे सेगमेंट में हमने स्क्रीन पे नंबर्स भी देखे, काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम के। तो गाइडेंस अगर FY24 के लिए यहाँ से कुछ देखना हो तो?
I would not jump to that kind of guidance, but our strategy is to grow faster than the market. Like we have gained market share last year, we would aim to gain market share in room air conditioners. We had expanded our portfolio to address affordable segment as well. See, we were premium players. We introduced affordable premium couple of years ago. And this year we are in the affordable category as well. So we have good opportunity to improve our market share in room air conditioners. Uh, Despite this unseasonal rains, I am hopeful that the market will grow by around 20%. We aim to grow by 25%. That is higher than the market because we aim to gain market share there. In commercial refrigeration products, the country is expanding. There is a growing trend of ice cream consumption, processed food consumption in the pharma, as well as the uh, perishables, be it vegetables or aquaculture, floriculture. There is a lot of things that are happening there. So therefore, prospects for commercial refrigeration business is also good. And in electromechanical projects, as I mentioned, the order book is huge and the continued order flow are there. So I think next year again will be another great year. The lot of work needs to be done in order to pursue this growth and continue to improve the margins. And I'm hopeful that we will do that.
डेफिनेटली